Imagine looking up at the moon and seeing a fresh scar. Scientists have just flagged an asteroid named 2024 YR4, and it might be on a collision course, not with Earth, but with the moon. Here's what we know about this potential lunar impact in 2032. Discovered in late 2024, Asteroid 2024 YR4 is a relatively small, near-Earth object, roughly 35 to 50 meters in diameter, about the size of a commercial airliner. That might sound tiny on a cosmic scale, but it's big enough to cause serious damage if it were to hit Earth, or in this case, the moon. NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations Program has been tracking YR4's orbital path. In a recent analysis, they found that on August 11th, 2032, the asteroid is predicted to pass extremely close to the moon, close enough that a direct impact can't be ruled out yet. This is a rare scenario. While Earth gets the headlines, the moon often takes the hits. It acts as a cosmic shield and a historical record of impacts in our solar system. At this stage, astronomers say there's a non-negligible chance of impact. YR4's orbit is still being refined, and more data is needed. But early simulations suggest it could strike the moon's far side, out of view from Earth. If it does, it would likely leave a crater 300 to 500 meters wide, depending on the angle and speed. No, it won't split the moon in half, but the impact would be explosive, unleashing energy equivalent to a small nuclear bomb, purely from kinetic force. Lunar dust would rise, a crater would form, and future astronauts or lunar rovers might get a new site to explore. And yes, if it hits the near side, we might even spot the flash from Earth. No danger to Earth. YR4 is not expected to enter Earth's atmosphere, but this event is a reminder. We live in a dynamic solar system with rocks flying around us all the time. The moon gets hit fairly often, but most objects are too small to notice. YR4, however, is big enough to make headlines. If 2024 YR4 hits the moon, scientists will have a front row seat to study a modern impact in real time. It could give us critical insight into lunar geology, crater formation, and how similar events could affect future lunar bases. Think of it as a free experiment, delivered by the cosmos. So, mark your calendars. August 2032 could be the moment we witness a fresh impact on the moon. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is still under watch, and astronomers are tracking every move. Whether it hits or misses, it's a powerful reminder of how alive our solar system truly is. Stay curious, stay aware, and keep looking up.